Xin Chao Wow Wow Cock Band, and welcome back to Jordy Comes Alive. Kids, please hit subscribe. I'm going for that 1 billion subscriber mark. You could be one of them. Come follow along. Buy the ticket. Take the ride. It doesn't hurt. It is going to be a hot one today. It's not even 9 a.m. I think it's, last I checked, 152 degrees, but it only feels like 156. Oh, guys, I've been living on Phan Van Han Street for just over 3 years now, and I would say that this street to me is the most important street in Vietnam. I've been eating here and living here and have been accepted by this beautiful neighborhood and these beautiful people who put up with my weirdness of walking and talking and filming and, you know, asking lots of questions about their food. I feel blessed to be a part of this neighborhood, and there's no place else I would really rather live than here in the Bún Thịt district on Phan Van Han Street. Today's meal, breakfast time, Bún Thịt Nướng. Xin Chao Wow Wow. Let's go. I love it. This old ba cooking up the pork on the street. All right, here we go. Here comes my dish. Some sprouts, cucumbers, rau, bun, spring roll, thịt, peanuts. Guys, this is one of my favorite breakfast meals, Bún Thịt Nướng. Check it out. You got a couple components here. First of all, boom. You got the vermicelli noodles. 2, you got the grilled beef. 3, you got the spring roll. So good. It's a mixture of everything I kind of love here in, you know, street meat culture. So, here we go. First, guys, I like to pour the nuoc mam right over my meal. Then, gotta mix it up, man. Get it in the mix. It's all about the mix. The noodle. It's slightly springy with a little bit of a chew to it. It's delicious. The fish sauce, the nuoc mam, brings that funkiness on. The spring roll. Wow. Oh, wow. Super crunchy, not too greasy. It's filled with some pork. It's spot on. Oh, you can smell the grill. You can smell the smoke from the grill. There's a little tang on it from the nuoc mam. Smoky, meaty, slightly fatty, which I love. There's like a hint of like clove in it. And sweet. Definitely sweet. Let's see if we can assemble a perfect bite here, shall we? When I first came to Saigon, getting used to eating like rau, salad and noodles was kind of weird, but I'm so used to it now. Everything comes with rau, everything comes with salad. What a great breakfast to start the day. I think this is like one of the more popular, well-known Vietnamese dishes by far. Bún Thịt Nướng. Nam Hoa. Let's figure out how much this is. That'd be it. See you again. See you again. Guys, Phan Van Han Street, Bún Thịt Nướng. You cannot make a mistake here. So good. I'm gonna go have another coffee. Subscribe.
ไม่มีตำหนิเลย
Subscribe.
สว่างเหมือนดวงอาทิตย์ยามเที่ยงวันใสเย็นเหมือนแสงจันทร์ในคืนวันเพ็ญนะจ๊ะให้นึกอย่างเบาๆ